Dear all, welcome back for this week's tutorial. This time we will see how to connect our NUX Mighty device, NUX Mighty Air, NUX Mighty Plug, Mighty Plug Pro, all of this works. The important thing is to have a device that has a USB audio output to be used like a sort of audio card for acquiring audio, and how to connect it to our faithful smartphone. We will need just a few gear for that. So we will need a USB on the go adapter that usually has these are two different models, but they are more or less identical. They have a connector on one side, a male connector that is intended to be inserted into your smartphone. If your smartphone has a USB-C, like in my case, this is gonna go. Otherwise, if you have a micro USB connector, please take the correct adapter with that. If you Google or look in Amazon or everywhere else for USB on-the-go adapter, you will find a lot of models. According to my experience, any of them can work. I have 3 of them and they are working. You see, they can be completely different, but there are no particular differences. The important thing is that they have one connector on one side that is going into your smartphone, and a USB-A, so a female port on the other side. You see, it's exactly the same. That is intended for the connection of external devices, like for example pen drives or so on. In this case, we will use it to connect our NUX device. I will do all my testing with NUX Mighty Air, but as I said, whichever device that has a USB audio output can work for this with minor changes. So, have a look behind the NUX Mighty Air, where we have the USB port. We will use this other cable that is a regular USB-A female and USB-C male connector, sorry, USB-A male and USB-C male connector. That is, this is identical to the cable you usually find in your smartphone box for connecting to the charger. And also you can use the cable you find inside the packaging of Mighty Air, so that you don't really need to purchase something separately. We need to connect them, to connect the USB port here. We will have the male here. As you can imagine, the male connects to the female on the USB on the go adapter, and then the USB on the go adapter will be connected to our smartphone. So they are linked. One important warning you may have noticed as the LED turned on. With this connection, that is very useful when using all this gear in mobility. So if you have an inspiration, you want to record your guitar, you're traveling, and you have everything within your guitar gig bag, and you want to record what you have in mind, your music, you can do it, but consider that with this connection, as the smartphone is connected to an external device and is supposed to power the external device. Imagine if you connect the pen drive here, the smartphone needs to give power to that. It will do the same for the NUX Mighty Air. So presently the smartphone is charging the Mighty Air. That is not really necessary, but the drawback is that the smartphone will have a huge battery drain. So be careful, don't keep it connected for long, because otherwise your battery will die and you will stop having fun. That's all for the hardware connection. In the following video, I will show you how to use BandLab, the app we will be using for this test, for tuning your guitar and for recording your guitar. So please give me comments below if you have additional questions or if something was not clear. So please feel free to tell me if you want additional explanation or so. Otherwise, please come back for the next video. See you next time. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.